Kid Wiz channel. Let's learn together.
Penguins, the sliding birds. Let's talk about penguins, the cool birds that swim but don't fly. Penguins have a black back and a white belly and move easily in the water. On land, they stand up straight and waddle around. Baby penguins are called chicks. Chicks are covered in fluffy down feathers to keep them warm. They hatch from eggs that their parents carefully keep warm. Both penguin parents take turns keeping the eggs warm and taking care of the chicks. Chicks chirp to communicate with their parents. They stay close to their parents for warmth and protection. Baby penguins learn to swim by following their parents into the water. Penguins have lots of short feathers to keep them warm and dry. They also have a thick layer of fat to stay cozy in the cold. Did you know there are 18 different kinds of penguins? The biggest one is called the emperor penguin. Penguins live in cold places like Antarctica and nearby islands. Some live in Africa, New Zealand, Australia, and South America. Penguins are great swimmers and divers. They can swim really fast, even faster than 25 miles per hour. They use their short wings to paddle and their webbed feet to glide in the water. Penguins have short legs, but they can run pretty fast. When it is time to come back home, they jump from the sea straight on the ice. Sometimes they even slide on their bellies on ice and snow. Penguins love to eat small fish, squid, and tiny shrimp called krill. They dive deep into the sea to catch their food. When it's time to have babies, penguins gather in big groups called nesting colonies. Some travel a long way to find the perfect spot to lay their eggs. Penguins are very loyal and often come back to the same nesting place every year.
Thank you for watching. Come back again.